Discord is a great way to stay in touch with friends and fellow gamers. But did you know you can change your bio on the Discord mobile app? In this video, I'll show you how to edit your bio so people can learn more about you. Whether you want to update your status, list your favorite games, or just share a little bit about yourself, in this video I will show you how to do it. To get started, first open up the Discord mobile application and then tap on these three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on this screen, simply tap on the user profile. And then, as you can see, there is my bio under the About Me section. So in order to change that, simply tap on it, and clear the already existing bio and type in whatever you like. And then tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen to change your Discord bio. So let's go back. And there you have it, my Discord bio has been successfully changed. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.